Hey guys, so on how we can possibly fix the Baxi boiler error E1, it's an indication that your boiler is low on pressure and is one of the more common error codes for Baxi, Barton or main boilers. Now, it's like their boiler is an error code, however we offer variety options on how we can fix the issues. So now what you can try to do is effectively repressure your boiler, begin identifying the filling loop, typically located directly beneath your boiler. This key component here is a zero flexible pipe with 1 or 2 black tabs for the process. So this is one thing that you can do. And it's like there can be like an issue with the appliance internal components or system. And repressurize the boiler if necessary. This is the first thing you can try to do. And then also you can try to reset the button. And if the error persists, just call the repairman to fix it for you.